Here, I'm able to control the player by using the ball which is in the hand. I'm able to achieve nearly a 50 to 70% of accuracy by using it. This is the first time I'm using it. If I practice it for a certain amount of time, I'll be able to play by using it in a good way. Now, I'm going to practice shooting. As far as shooting is concerned, it is easy. Just I'm going to shoot it. I'm able to shoot it right away. This is the first time I'm just shooting goal after goal. So it is not a big deal here. It is easy. Defending. Now defending. As far as defending is concerned, it is a little bit difficult. I'm not able to control the player since this is the first time. The player is moving here and there, and as you see, I'm unable to move player exactly. I need a little bit of practice, and defending takes a little bit of time too. I need to improve on it. Now I'm going to make the player run. Actually, I'm not running. I'm just walking. Since this is the first time, I'm not able to make this walking as accurate as possible. You can see the player is moving back and forward, which I need to control it. The pass Now the passing is also a little bit of a complicated thing. I must see the direction correctly and then pass it up. Since it's the first time, I'm not able to make it correctly. I must improve on it.